Have you ever wondered how closely intertwined science and spirituality truly are? On the surface, these two realms may seem to be at odds. Science, with its reliance on empirical evidence, seeks to uncover the truth of our world through observation and experimentation. It's an exploration of the tangible, a quest for concrete understanding. On the other hand, spirituality invites us into the realm of the intangible. It beckons us to venture into the profound depths of the mystical, the unseen, the unexplainable. It's a journey into the very essence of our consciousness, our sense of awareness. Yet there was a time in the ancient world when these two domains were not viewed as contrasting fields. Instead, they were seen as complementary aspects of understanding the world, the universe, and our place within it. As we delve deeper into history, we find that science and spirituality were once not so distant. In the ancient world, science and spirituality were intertwined, each illuminating the other. Let's journey back to the time of the Egyptians, Greeks, and Indians. These civilizations saw science and spirituality as two sides of the same coin, each offering insights that enrich the other. The Egyptians, for instance, held a deep spiritual belief in the afterlife. This belief spurred their advancements in mummification and anatomy, setting the foundation for future medical science. The Greeks, on the other hand, sought divine wisdom in the stars. Their spiritual pursuits led to the birth of astronomy, forever shaping our understanding of the cosmos. In India, spirituality and scientific exploration were inseparable. Their spiritual practices led to the development of early mathematics, including the concept of zero, a cornerstone of modern arithmetic. These civilizations saw spirituality not as a hindrance to scientific progress, but as a catalyst. The ancients saw no contradiction in pursuing empirical knowledge while maintaining spiritual beliefs. Fast forward to the modern era, and we find a chasm between science and spirituality. The Enlightenment period ushered in a new age of reason and empirical science that championed observable and measurable facts. This shift led to a widening gulf between the realms of science and spirituality. The Enlightenment's emphasis on verifiable evidence and repeatability created a scientific community that viewed spiritual experiences with skepticism. These experiences, often deeply personal and subjective, could not be quantified or measured through the lens of empiricism. The intangible nature of spirituality, its reliance on personal insight, faith, and intuition, seemed at odds with the scientific method's demand for objectivity and evidence. This divergence has led to a modern dichotomy where science and spirituality are often viewed as incompatible. A world where the tangible is often valued over the intangible and the measurable over the immeasurable. In the modern world, science and spirituality have been seen as incompatible. However, the line between science and spirituality is becoming less defined. In our quest for understanding, we're witnessing a fascinating renaissance where quantum physics and neuroscience are starting to explore territories once reserved for spiritual discourse. Consider quantum physics, where particles can exist in multiple states at once and influence each other instantaneously over vast distances, defying traditional laws of space and time. This echoes spiritual teachings that speak of an interconnected universe, where separation is merely an illusion. Then there's neuroscience, which is beginning to acknowledge the profound impact of mindfulness and meditation on the brain. Studies reveal that these practices can fundamentally alter our neural pathways, hinting at a deeper level of consciousness yet to be fully understood. These intriguing developments have sparked a renewed interest in merging the worlds of science and spirituality in pursuit of a unified understanding of reality. As we advance further, we find science and spirituality beginning to converge once again, reminding us of the profound interconnectedness of all things. So, where does this leave us in the relationship between science and spirituality? We delved into the confluence of these two realms in ancient times, then observed their divergence in modern times. But we also saw hints of a rekindling connection, a resurgence of the idea that consciousness and awareness might bridge the gap. Perhaps the line between science and spirituality isn't as clear as we once believed, and maybe, just maybe, they're two sides of the same coin.